a very young person, and then you make a lot of money, and then what you gonna do there? A lot of money about spending. How you make the
Just
spending money?
buy something for work.
What type girlfriend you wanna think of?
It depends on person.
Depends
It can be
personality.
Asian, but I think Armenian for conversation is more easily.
Oh yes,
It's-
yeah, same.
It's different when I speak Armenian. I different person, and when I speak Russian, I also different person. I don't know why. Yeah.
Not everyone like kimchi. Kimchi это капуста корейская. Я особенно, не каждый, конечно, корейскую кухню переваривает.
Do you want to try?
Gilly, how are you?
Good, good. How are you?
Fine.
Like a great chef now.
Я хотел. Ну, ты знаешь, когда написали, что все принесут, ты видишь, что там весь стол полный. Поэтому я решил не делать.
I eat chicken.
Bring the chicken and we'll put it on the board. Where is mine? This is yours.